Hey guys, welcome to my video. So this is part 5 for this little motor right here. I changed it up a little bit. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos, I would suggest watching those first so you could follow along better. This is running with the Bedini circuit, just like the last two videos. Here's the basic circuit, if you're not very familiar with it. On the capacitor part, we're just going into a light bulb to run as a load. This is from the output from the spikes of the coil going to the capacitor and then run the light. But on this one I put in a generator coil and I changed the resistor to a 1K resistor, and the generator coil will be running this light, and then just have a little 7-inch prop as a load. And yeah, I'm going to see what happens here. So I kind of tuned the circuit on this test, so kind of a neat effect. So we'll jump right in and turn this thing on, and since the resistance is higher, it goes right into self-oscillation. So just want to kick this over and get it started. So the RPMs of the motor, a little over 1200 RPMs, something like that. 1300. So this is the amp that we're using. We're using 12 volts out of this battery. This one's doing nothing. So we're pretty much exactly at 200 milliamps from the battery, and we're running the motor, running the small fan, and then the output is running this light. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to hook up the light bulb and see what effect it has on it. So now we're using 190 milliamps, and you can hear the motor slow down just a little bit. We could check the RPMs. So went down about a little bit less than 100 RPM. And so now we have the motor running the light from the output of the coil, and then this is running from the generator up top. But we're actually using, a little bit less power than we were before we even hooked up the generator. And what's even neater is if you load the motor even more. I'm going to slow down the motor with my hand. It's actually going to use even less power. But now we're to the speed to where the generator is not really doing a whole lot. But you can see how loading it actually makes the output a little bit better, and you could actually use less power if you get it all tuned right. So pretty neat little experiment. Thought I'd share it with you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.